A company no one knew about till now, called Rabbit, has recently unveiled what we believe to be the next frontier in groundbreaking computing. Let me introduce the Rabbit R1, an extraordinary device serving as a dedicated AI assistant. Has taken the internet by storm. It literally came out of nowhere, without a hint of a rumor or any prior press coverage. Rabbit's mission is to create the simplest computer, says its founder and CEO.
The simplest computer, something so intuitive that you don't need to learn how to use it.
He says the best way to achieve this is to break away from the commonly used smartphone app-based operating systems. Instead, Rabbit envisions a natural language-centered approach. The computer has been aptly named the companion and is designed to communicate, understand, and crucially, accomplish tasks on your behalf. The future of human-machine interfaces demands heightened intuitiveness. Before delving into the intricacies, let's evaluate everyday mobile devices we carry. Those smartphones tucked away in your pocket. Smartphones such as iPhones and Androids have been with us for years, but Rabbit says we've grown weary of the limitations produced by app-based operating systems.
Each time you want to do something, you fumble through multiple pages and folders to find the app you want to use, and there are always endless buttons that you need to click. Add to the cart, go to the next page, check the boxes, and jumping back and forth, and so on.
It's been tried with devices like Alexa, Siri, and Cortana. Lou says these smart speakers often either don't know what you're asking them or fail to actually complete the task at all.
So, we first set out to fundamentally understand how computer apps are structured and, more importantly, how humans interact with them.
Rabbit managed to make an AI trigger multiple actions, utilizing one or multiple apps, just like a human, which led them to create a new foundational model that understands how to do this, where their smart AI can interface and perform these tasks built for real-time interactions using the advanced Rabbit OS operating system. It solved this problem with Lamb. It can learn how to use any interface using any software, regardless of which platform it's running on. The large language model interprets what you say, and then a large action model gets the tasks done and presents them to you. Instead of creating numerous APIs and persuading developers to integrate with the R1, Rabbit took a different approach by training its model to independently navigate existing apps. The extensive action model, known as Lamb, underwent training through human interactions with applications such as Spotify and Uber, essentially providing the model with a hands-on understanding of their functionalities. The Lamb learned to recognize elements like the settings icon, confirm order statuses, and locate search menus. This acquired knowledge can then be universally applied to any app across various platforms. A standout attribute of the R1 is its dedicated emphasis on security and privacy. It's done this via its web portal called Rabbit Hole, which you log into to use R1.
Now I'm logged in with Spotify. Rabbit OS recognized that Spotify has been authenticated on my device. Before this presentation, I pre-authenticated some other apps like Uber and DoorDash.
In contrast to numerous smart devices that constantly listen, the R1 prioritizes intentional user interaction. The device's microphone, primarily utilized for voice commands, activates solely when the side-mounted push-to-talk button is pressed.
Get me a ride from my office to home now.
Of course, I will book an Uber ride for you from your office to your home. Please confirm the ride.
The large language model interprets what you say, and then a large action model gets the tasks done and presents them to you.
I have 6 people with 3 luggages. Find me an Uber that can fit all of us.
For 6 people and 3 pieces of luggage, I recommend booking an Uber XL as it provides ample space for all passengers and luggage. Please confirm the ride.
I just hit confirm.
And just like that, an Uber is on its way. Now let's order some food.
Get me a 12-inch pizza from Pizza Hut delivered to here. The most ordered option on the app is fine.
Ordering a 12-inch pizza from Pizza Hut. Since you mentioned that the most ordered option is fine, I will select that for you. I just created an order for a 12-inch pizza. It's going to be hand-tossed with a classic marinara sauce and topped with regular cheese. Please confirm your order.
That sounds really good. I just confirmed the order here. Now I'm waiting for my pizza.
Compact enough to fit in your pocket, the Rabbit R1 features a rotating Rabbit AI camera, a 2.88-inch touchscreen display, a scroll wheel for seamless OS navigation, and a USB-C port for charging. This device marks a significant change in the way in which we interact with technology. More than just a digital assistant, it introduces a whole new device category that makes voice-based interactions simple.
I can also make R1 to a set of more complex actions that may take multiple apps to finish on a smartphone.
Next, R1 was asked to book a family trip to London. It's going to be 2 adults, a child aged 12, flying January 30th to February 5th. Can you plan the entire trip with cheap, non-stop flights, grouped seats, a cool SUV, and a nice hotel that has great Wi-Fi?
Exploring ticketing options to make your trip a reality.
For complex booking tasks, the wait time is longer. The OS has to rifle through hundreds of options before selecting the best one based on your request. The clearer the request, the better the results.
For your trip, I found various flight options, a range of hotels to choose from, and car rentals available. Please confirm each option individually for further details and booking.
So it's all been planned out. I just confirm, and that's it.
And how about finding you some cool things to do in a place you've never been to? R1, can you book this for me?
On it. I have prepared a detailed travel plan for your trip. In summary, you will be exploring London's iconic landmarks, visiting museums, enjoying delicious meals at local restaurants, and experiencing the vibrant atmosphere of different neighborhoods. Navigation details are also prepared, and I can help you book tickets for any events you'd like to attend.
R1 just planned the entire trip for me. That's awesome.
Additionally, the R1 features a specialized training mode that allows users to teach the device on specialized tasks. Once trained, the device is said to be capable of repeating the instructed actions in the future. Lou provides an example.
So you go to Teach mode, start a new session. Today, I will show you how to generate an image of puppy using Midjourney from prompt using Discord. First, I will go to the servers page and click one of my own servers. Since this is only a general image generation, I'll go to Midjourney text channel. Then, I will use the image command along with the prompt. Here I'm putting a cute baby wild dog with big eyes, animated cartoon Unreal 8K. Let's wait for a minute for the engine to start generating the images.
The AI is taught to learn from the actions of the logged-in user. Just moments later, the image is created by Midjourney, being observed by the AI while in training mode, and produces the images. The OS is then told how to use this rabbit and explain to it how to generate anything, not just puppies. The request is submitted via the web portal. It only takes a few seconds for the web portal to process.
And that's it.
Now in the keynote demo, Lou says, you can go back to the R1 and ask it to create a new image using Discord. Now let's ask it to create a new image of a bunny in pixel art style.
I will use Midjourney to generate a picture of a bunny in pixel art style for you. Please give me a moment to create the image.
Now the OS has observed and had the instructions submitted. It's now ready to create images on the fly.
Now here you go. You got an image generated on Midjourney through Teach mode.
One of the most impressive features we found was the use of what the team at Rabbit called the Rabbit Eye. The R1's specialized 360 camera can scan almost anything. Point it at the contents of your fridge and ask it to tell you what healthy meal it suggests. What can be made using the remaining food items?
How about a green garden omelette? It's a delicious and low-calorie dish that combines the freshness of broccoli and cabbage with the creaminess of eggs. Here's a simple recipe for you.
Nice. It recognized all the stuff and gave me the actual recipes.
Offering a sneak peek into the future of human-device interaction, the Rabbit R1 stands out with its innovative design that prioritizes privacy and boasts a distinctive operating system. The potential of the R1 is a game-changer in reshaping our perspectives on how we use apps, gadgets, and could reshape the way we use our devices. In summary, the price tag at $199, the R1 isn't just a chatbot, it's more like a super app. A single interface, through which you can do just about anything. What ChatGPT could be to web search, Rabbit OS could be to the App Store. The R1 is available for pre-order now. Lou says the device will start shipping in March. You've been watching the AI Report. Please subscribe and like our channel for more. See you next time.